You want money. You need knowledge. Let's get it. Enough talking. Roll the footage. What's up, guys? It's your brother Trev here. And I know what you're thinking. Yo, Trev, listen, how you gonna hook me up today? Like, I need to make some money on the sideline, but I don't know where to start. Like, I don't know what to do. So you know what, your brother got you. All right. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make money online 7 different ways from home and get paid without working for the man. Yeah, you like that, right? Nobody want to work for the man. So we're going to get into it right now. Let's go. The first side hustle thing we're going to talk about today is blogging. So what is a blog? So a blog is an online journal or information website displaying information in reverse order, with the latest post appearing at the very top. It's a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject or hobby or anything like that that you would like to put on your blog. So basically, it's something that you can write and do and say and video record just about anything that you want. A lot of people do it really for hobby aspects and turn it into a business. So anything fun or anything that interests you, you can turn into a blog. Now, even though you may not see a very fast income stream from your blog immediately, after a while, when you start to get some traction, that's when you'll start to see the money coming in from ad revenue or from your traffic buying your products or your information or whatever it is that you're selling or promoting onto your blog. So side hustle number 2, affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing and what do they do? So affiliate marketing is the process and by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing somebody else's product. So the affiliate simply searches for a product that they would enjoy selling or talking about or creating, and you earn a piece of the profit. So you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to ship anything or anything like that. All you do is promote somebody else's product, and when that product sells or when you complete the action that that person wants you to do for on their website, that's when you get a piece of the commission. So with affiliate marketing, you can promote people affiliate links. You can promote affiliate links on social media. You can promote affiliate links creating a website. You can promote affiliate links on YouTube. And that's pretty much a good side hustle that you can get without having any product of your own. So side hustle number 3 is called video marketing. So what the hell is video marketing? Video marketing is using video content to reach your desired audience. You can promote your brand, your service, or your product. So video marketing isn't only about sales. You can actually use it to encourage website visits, social media engagement, email signups, and simply improve customer service. Video marketing you can do as a side hustle. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can actually sponsor promotional products on your channel. You can actually do video reviews, product reviews, book reviews, any sort of reviews like that. Do video marketing on these products and monetize it with ads and affiliate links. Easy money. Side hustle number 4. So wait. Before I go any further, I'm gonna need you guys to like this video and subscribe. I'm dropping gold for you people, and don't be on the fence. Don't be on and off. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Social media influencer. Now, of course, I ain't got to tell you guys, social media influencers, when you have a big following and people engage with your content, that's when you get other people, normally smaller social media accounts that normally hit you up like, hey, listen, can you show my post? Can you show my product on your account? I'll pay you a couple of dollars and you can promote it. You can wear it. Sometimes they give it to you for free just so you can promote it. But either way, that's another great side hustle so you can get some money coming in. Normally for bigger accounts or regular accounts, they just want people to wear their stuff or drink their drink or just use their product so you can promote it for some easy money. Side hustle number 5, social media manager. Now, are you good at social media? Because I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm horrible at social media. But if you're pretty good at social media, you can actually be a manager of other people's profiles. So if people don't have time to run their social media, if they ain't got time on their hands to tweet or to post to Facebook or to go to Pinterest, you can actually get paid for doing that, especially if you do it all the time. If you think it's fun to you, all right, this can be something that's major for you. You can actually get paid to do something that is entertaining, which is like the end goal for everybody, right? Everybody will want to get paid for doing stuff that they love to do. So a social media manager, you have clients that you handle their social media platform businesses, okay? And it's a great side hustle, especially if you love doing it. So social media manager, look into it, Google it. I think you'll love it. Side hustle number 6, create information products. So creating information products is pretty simple, and a lot of people are looking for information, and information can be received just like that in no time. So a lot of people are looking for fast information without searching all throughout the entire web looking for it. So you can just create information products to sell to people. So normally if you're pretty good at painting and you know the ins and outs of painting, or you're pretty good at writing, or you're pretty good drawing or playing video games and winning them or something like that, whatever information you have can be sold to people who's actually looking for a shortcut a lot of the times, or people who just want to get straight to it. So normally information products are a pretty good side hustle and very popular right now with everybody. And it's something you can do right now, starting today. Now, mind you, if you don't feel like creating your own informational product, if you don't feel like writing anything down or trying to figure it out yourself, you can always go on Fiverr and get your information product done by a professional. They can write up whatever idea that you might have, or they can just basically put together anything that you have in your head that you can sell to somebody else, to give somebody else exactly what they're looking for. So the first thing you might want to do is find out what people actually want, and then you can create that informational product yourself, or you can pay somebody on Fiverr to actually create the information product for you, so you can get paid as a return. Don't know how to start an information product? Check out this video. You see exactly what I'm doing, right? You want to know some side hustle tips and tricks, right? You want to know how to make money right now, right? What do you think this video is about? Me giving you information. So stop what you're doing and get to work. Side hustle number 7, freelance. You can be a freelancer. So if you're pretty good at writing, if you're pretty good at designing websites, if you're pretty good at designing apps, then that's a skill that other people are willing to pay for. Okay, so you can sign up for something like elance.com or fiverr.com, and you can actually sign up to these websites, create your account on there, whatever the case may be, and then show your skill, let people know your talent, show some work that you've done in the past before, show them what they can expect. Let them know the benefits of why working with you would be beneficial for them. As a freelancer, you can get a ton of work online right from your laptop. Hell, even right from your phone if you already done the work on your laptop. It's a very good side hustle. A lot of times people want things done at like right away, like right now. So if you're the type of person that you have your main job and you're probably doing overtime or something like that, it might be a little conflicting, because people sometimes pay extra for expedited work. So if they need it right now, and they're willing to pay you an extra $50 to get it done right now, might want to do it right now. Especially if you're pretty good at doing what you do, you probably get a lot of work in at the same time. And if people are looking to get their projects done right away, and you're at work, it's like, oh shit, like what are you gonna do, right? So but other than that, freelancer is pretty good, especially if you have the skill to do it. Well, there you have it, guys. So you have 7 side hustles that anybody can do. You can do it right now. All you got to do is get this straight. If you can get this under control, you can do it. Listen, don't be scared to go and dive deeper into everything that I've told you, or into the thing that really interests you. All you have to do is do a little bit of research on it. Start. You need to start today. If you don't take action now, you never will. Don't put it off for tomorrow. You need to do it right now. So all you have to do is start right now. If you can start right now, you'll start earning immediately. You know what I'm saying? So take everything that I told you and please apply it. And I'm telling you right now, 2021 is going to be your year of domination. Thank you guys for watching. I'm your brother Trev. Like this video, subscribe. Tell me if this was helpful for you. Leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later.